Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring essential tools are ready: kubectl, a container runtime, and a lightweight cluster-like kind. You will learn YAML and core objects, pods, services, deployments, because they form the language of Kubernetes. Once done, create a Git repo for manifests and automate applying small changes. Do short, focused daily drills so concepts stick. Practice beats passive reading. This approach gets you running quickly and prevents slow, theoretical bottlenecks. Now you move into the middle, real workflows. Deploy a multi-tier app and add config maps, secrets, readiness, and liveness probes so your services behave. Make sure to apply resource requests and limits to avoid noisy neighbors. Once stable, introduce Helm for templating and an operator for lifecycle automation. Integrate CI/CD by building images, pushing to a registry, and using GitOps to reconcile manifests. These steps teach you the why behind decisions. Finish by securing and scaling. Lock down RBAC and network policies, and enforce pod security standards so the cluster is safe. Practice horizontal scaling and rolling updates. Test backups and disaster recovery so you can restore quickly. If something breaks, follow a simple triage. Check pod logs, kubectl describe, and cluster events, then reproduce the failure in a controlled namespace. If needed, roll back via Git. This last phase turns knowledge into reliable operational skill.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.